Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Science Does Things. And today, we're learning about polarity. Now, polarity in chemical bonding is the distribution of electrical charge over the atoms joined by the bond. Now, I will demonstrate this with some water and, let's see here, some pepper, salt, and a straw to mix it all up. Let's get started. Now I have 2 cups here because one will be used for each demonstration. We'll start with salt first. So as you can see, you have water and salt. Now what am I going to be doing with salt and water? It should be quite obvious, but I'll tell you now. I'm going to put this in here. What'll that do? Well, since both of these are polar, meaning like dissolves like, or basically this will dissolve in this, just watch. And it's hard to see, but it's sitting at the bottom. That's where straw comes in. You gotta stir it up. And once you know it, there's barely anything left except for some of this stuff in the middle. But this will dissolve over time. Now let's take a look at this. You have water and pepper. What'll this do? Well, since this is polar, but this is non-polar, this won't dissolve in this, as I will demonstrate right now. This is about to get out. Alright, hopefully this will work. There we go. So as you can see, pepper in the cup. Now I will use straw again to stir it up, and let's see what happens. Now we are done stirring. If we take a look inside, it's not dissolving. This is because, like I mentioned before, pepper is non-polar and water is a polar substance, meaning that pepper will not dissolve in water. But salt, on the other hand, will dissolve in water, since this is a polar material and this is a polar substance, meaning they will work together. That's all for today's episode of Science Does Things. I hope you learned something new. Make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you want to see next from me. And as always, thanks for watching.